Breath of life, calm and deep. Let the mind grow still. Let the soul awake. I release the past. I release the strain. I rest in the now, free from the chain. With each inhale, I welcome peace. With each exhale, all burdens cease. So, hum, the mantra flows. I am that, the self it shows. I am breath, I am stillness, I am that. I ground myself in this breath. I center myself in this moment. I merge with the infinite. So hum. Let us sit comfortably and easily with eyes closed. Let us take a deep breath in and out. Observe the movement of the belly. While inhaling, belly is moving out. While exhaling, belly is moving in. Allow the breath to go on its own. Breath in and breathe out. Become aware of the flow of the air in the nostrils, both inward and outward. Move the attention to the back of the nose where breath is taking a turn. Feel the flow of the air at this point. Feel the flow of the air in the throat. Feel the flow of the air in the throat. Do not force the breath. Do not force the breath. Feel the breath in the lungs. Feel the breath in the lungs. Incoming breath energizes the body. Outgoing breath is cleansing the body and relaxing the body. Incoming breath energizes the body. Outgoing breath is cleansing the body and relaxing the body. Feel the rhythm of the breath, your very natural breath. Allow the mind to become aware of the subtle sound of the breath. So, hum. When you hear so, breath in. When you hear hum, breath out. So, hum. 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 Continue to listen to so, hum mentally. When inhalation is happening, feel so. While it's happening, feel hum. There might be a slight gap between exhalation and inhalation. Observe this gap also. Relax. Relax. Drop your all the efforts. Drop your all the efforts. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Once more. Breathe in and breathe out. Become aware of the body and surroundings. Cover the eyes with your palms, slowly and gradually looking through the gaps of your fingers. Let us open our eyes with the beautiful smile on your face. Hari Om Tat Sat.